everybody! I'm so excited because we are building the gingerbread house together today. Are you ready to join me? Let's get started. Let's start. We need to start with the floor. We have the white floor here. Now let's put the walls together. This is the first one. Let's put it like this. Very good. Now we can put this one here. Very good. We have two walls. We need two more, yes? So let's take these and let's put them like that. Well done. Now this part. Perfect. Okay, we need one more wall. Let's put it here. And let's put it together this way. And this part. Very good. Look, we have the white floor and 1, 2, 3, 4 walls. Now, what is missing? What should be here at the top of the house? The roof, of course. Look, I've got here two parts of the roof. We need to put them like this. One part here. Like this. Okay, and now one more. Wow, well done! Look at our house. Okay, now it's time to decorate our gingerbread house. Let's start with the door. Here it is. Let's stick the door here in the middle. Very pretty. Now we can put some colorful spots, yellow, red, black, tiny red, green, yellow, very good, and maybe a gingerbread heart here, and a gingerbread star. Wow, very pretty. Okay, now we need the windows here. Let's stick two windows on this wall. This one is big, and this one is small. There are two windows, and we can stick some decorations around the windows. Green, red and white. Maybe the gingerbread star here. Green and yellow. Very good. Okay, now let's stick this part at the top like this. Wow, it looks very pretty. And maybe let's put a snowman here. Wow, look, a happy snowman is standing here. Happy snowman. And maybe one more window. This is a big window. Now let's decorate this wall again like this. Let's put some snow here. Very nice. Now this wall. Let's put some snow at the top. Very good. And the tree. Christmas tree and the gingerbread heart here. Okay, maybe also this decoration like this. Red, yellow, green, green and green. Okay, Okay, maybe let's add some snow here. And here like this. Wow, look at our beautiful gingerbread house. We built it together and then we decorated it with some beautiful Christmas ornaments. Isn't it pretty? Well done, everybody. Thank you so much for helping me. Thank you guys so much for helping me to build this beautiful gingerbread house. It was so much fun. Bye-bye.